Good morning, guys. It is July 31st, 2020. Today I'll be talking about my top stocks for today that I'll be looking at. Let's see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stocks I'll be talking about. Without further ado, let's get this going. So, this first stock, ticker symbol ZN, which is Zion Oil and Gas. Um, if you're looking at the chart, there was a big move today on breaking news. As you can see, it continued after hours. Look at that jump. Watching the pre-market, their news of the Israel Ministry of Energy has approved the company's planned work on the Megiddo Jezreel number 2 well in Israel. So oil's probably gonna, at least for this company, is gonna do good. Keep an eye out for this. Next stock I'm also looking at is ticker symbol ECOR, which is Electrocore Incorporation. There was huge moves after hours, as you can see. It jumped, went from $1.52 up to a high of 425. So we'll see if it can reach that levels again. Keep watch on the news today because Electrocore provides update on availability of Gamma Core Sapphire for the acute treatment of asthma exacerbations in known or suspected COVID-19 patients. Let's see. Electrocore says Gamma Core Sapphire CV will be available for distribution for $1,750. Electrocore will be offering Gamma Core Sapphire CV to all customers for $1,250 until further notice. So, we'll see how this plans out today. Next stock I'll be keeping my eye out on is ticker symbol LKCO, which is the Luokung Technology Corporation. As you can see, the stock is clearly going up. Let's see the volume. Yeah, the volume is pretty up there. Big volume all of July. Then from what it was previously, let's look at previous months. Yeah, volume definitely went up in July. So we'll see if more people continue to buy more of this stock. Next ticker symbol, which is SONN. As you can see, after market hours made a high of $6.8. As compared to yesterday, which was, in $2 range. Hopefully it keeps above, this VWAP, and hopefully can make money off of this. So SONN has been on the news lately because, let's see, they are associated with plasma using their FHAB platform. FHAB utilizes a fully human single chain antibody fragment capable of delivering one or two active compounds that are attached using flexible, fully human linker peptides. So today, President Trump said the plasma of coronavirus survivors contains antibodies against the disease, which in theory can help those who are sick fight off the virus. So, these stocks that are dealing with COVID are, making those jumps. Hopefully, we'll see this make another jump today. So, another stock I'm also keeping my eye out on is ticker symbol PRPO. And as you can see, the low as of yesterday was at 126. Today, pre-market high of 813. It's kind of going back down at 540. We'll see if it reaches another high of 813. Let's make some money. Next stock I'm looking at for today is ticker symbol Sqbg, which is Sequential Brands Group. As you can see, after hours there's a low of 602. Currently it's at 612. Yesterday, let's see, 13. Oh, actually, yeah, this was yesterday. In the morning, the high was at 659 yesterday morning, so maybe we'll reach yesterday's high today. Let's see, my next ticker symbol, which is JAKK, JAKK's Pacific Incorporation. So as we can see, is this updated? Yep. So this morning, it reached, hold on. Yeah, so currently it's at 5.73. Yesterday it was at a low of 5.2 and a high of $6.05. So, we're kind of in the upper high of the low and high of yesterday. So I'm gonna keep my eye out on that. Next ticker symbol, JFU. This has been a controversial stock with people lately. I'm actually swinging this. I got this. Where did I got this? I got this at about I think it was right over here. Yesterday morning. Hopefully, this goes past $2 at some point of the day, so I can sell off. Next ticker symbol I'm watching is BXRX. As you can see, currently at 338. It was at a high after market hours at 375, and it's kind of making an uptrend since closing of yesterday. So we'll see if this still keeps going up. Keep my eye out on this. Next, so those are the penny stocks I'll be looking at. These are a little bit more of the more big business, big dollar stocks I'm looking at. So Apple, I'm actually swinging Apple also. I got this a couple days ago. Let's see, I believe I got it around 378, around that area, and it is at 409. As you know, Apple, let's see, yeah, they beat their earnings yesterday, so they made the stocks go up. So estimated earnings were $2.02, but the actual earnings was $2.58. So that definitely shot the stock up, as you can see from the stock or the earnings. It moved up, which is at currently 409. I'll keep an eye on this if I want to sell it, so I can make a couple more day trades tomorrow or later on today. Next stock I'll be keeping my eye off is Microsoft. As you can see, yesterday it was at a low of 199.57. After market $205. But if you look on the other chart, the past few months throughout COVID, Microsoft has been slow, or actually they've been going up pretty good. And currently they're taking like a small little dip Microsoft, I believe, in the long run, is a great stock to invest in. So this is definitely, in my opinion, this stock is going to go up. Next stock I'm looking at is Amazon. You really can't bet against Amazon. I actually was holding a couple of shares, but I sold off because I wanted to use the money on that one share to day trade some other stocks. But I'll keep my eye out today. As you can see, just yesterday it was a low of $3,000 pre-market hours. Today there's a pre-market high of $3,262. As you can see, they also beat earnings, wow, by a lot. Estimated was $1.74. Actual earnings were $10.30 per share. So wow, that really shot it up. I should have kept Amazon. Next stock I'll be keeping my eye out on today is J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson. As you can see, yesterday, pre-market hours, they were at a high of 151. During the day, it kind of dipped down to 146. And wow, they just made a jump from pre-market hours today, which they were down at about 146.86 and reached up to about 148. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. Johnson & Johnson is one of those stocks, you definitely want to hold for long term. But if you're like me and you like to swing trade stocks, every couple days, or day trade stocks, when they're at the low, they're not like really at the low, but in the past couple of days they're been going down, as you can see. And yesterday they went up, and it's kind of going down again, but in the long run they're definitely going to keep going up. And another stock I'm watching today, which is Tesla. I currently have like 3 shares of Tesla. I'm still down on it. I'm hoping it goes up today. As you can see, it's kind of, not where it was about at its high about 2 weeks ago. About 2 weeks ago, 1794. Dipped down, tried to go back up, dipped down, went up, dipped. Today, it's kind of like at that middle area. Honestly, in my opinion, I think Tesla can easily reach 1700, as it did. Last time it did was last week, Wednesday. I believe Tesla is going to go up, and Elon Musk kind of is a genius if you really think about him. And well, that is my watch list for today. Hope you guys like this. I'm going to try to keep on doing this to let people see my watch list, and hopefully they make money off of this, off my picks. Anyways, it's getting kind of late. I finished work late last night, and I need some sleep. So whoever's watching this, I hope you make some money with these stock picks, and have a good night. Please subscribe if I helped you with anything. I will post the stock symbols down below. And good night, y'all, as I sleep for about 2 hours.